My buddy's walking over to the vehicle we're going to be using today to go get some parts for the Legend. And this is the one that we just took here, ready with the winter tires. You know, just a winter beater Lexus. I just dropped the Accord off at storage. And, well, I'll cut for a second. Alright, here he comes. This should do some good for the 2.5 hour drive. Hehe. A little bit gutted, not too much. Got a decent haul. Radio, antenna, couple logos and things. Nothing crazy. This here is broken. This one's cracked. I mean, it'd be an improvement. Might grab it just to see if it fits. But the grill we removed. Unfortunately, it's broken here. And all the clips broke, obviously, because it's cold out. But, oh shit, I need this. Done. The coupe, some, what the? Well, okay, maybe I don't need that. Do I? I don't know, I'll decide. Anyway, there's this here sticker thingy that goes here that wasn't there, so yeah, there we go. It's getting dark, so we're gonna start heading back. There's gonna be some wind noise, no noses. We got out of there in time to skip the snow, but now it's snowing for the hour and 45-minute drive back. This will be fun. I'll go over the haul properly later, but radio, antenna, trim piece, mags, they had a fog light switch, and a signal light that hopefully works. Good stuff. Good stuff. Also, this thing has massaging friggin' seats. Glorious. I imagine he can see me seeing him. That's good. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. This was a bit of an impromptu trip. Found out that there was a legend in a local pull apart, so we had to go. So next week should resume probably repair videos on the legend. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.